Hi everyone, Matt here from CarWow. So I've got another drag race for you today. Now I'm sat in a Jaguar F-Pace SVR. Next to me is an Alfa Romeo Stelvio Quadrifoglio. Don't know why I'm doing that voice. Anyway, next to that is a Mercedes-AMG G63. We're going to see which is the quickest over the standing quarter mile and some other tests. This car has a 5-litre supercharged V8 with 550 horsepower and 680 newton meters of torque. That Alfa, it has a 2.9-litre twin-turbo V6 with 510 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. The big Mercedes, though, it has a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 with 585 horsepower and 850 newton meters of torque. All cars are all-wheel drive. All cars have automatic gearboxes. None of them have launch control. We're going to hold them on the brake, throw the throttles, release the brakes, and see what happens. Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell icon so you're alerted when we make a new upload. You don't want to miss any of these brilliant drag races. Also, why not follow me on Instagram, @MattWatsonCars. Loads of behind-the-scenes content there. Right, let's do it. Oh, good start. That G's off good. I got a good start as well. Come on, Jag. Oh, the Alfa! Come on, this is so close. Come on, Jag. Come on, boy. Come on. Come on. Yes, 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 yes. Oh! Oh. That was a bit weird at the end, sorry guys. That was super interesting. G got off wicked. I got off really good as well. Alfa a bit behind, then it came back, and then I came back against it.
This bounced off the limit just as we went over the line because it was in manual.
I'm going to give him another go.
3, 2, 1.
Good start. The G is so quick off the line. Come on! No, 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 no! The Alfa! No, he was right. This is kind of coming back though. This is close. The G-Wagon was last, but not by much of a margin. And when you think that it's a proper hardcore off-roader, these things, nah. That G-Wagon is a proper off-roader and it's with these. But I think the Alfa might have just had it.
So then what exactly happened? Well, it was a photo finish, but the Alfa won by a nose, completing the standing quarter mile in just 12 seconds. The second place Jaguar also recorded 12 seconds, while the G63 was last, with a still respectable time of 12.3 seconds.
Sorry to interrupt the video, but I just wanted to tell you that CarWow is crowdfunding. That means from just £10 you can invest in our business to share in our future success and I guess be one of my bosses. Click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link below to find out more. Hurry, the offer is limited. Anyway, on with the video! Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are in automatic mode and in comfort setting. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go! That G just smashed everyone! Can I come back? I'm beating that Alfa. Can I come back at this G? Only just 120 miles an hour. Poor old Alfa Romeo. We're also going to the rolling race, locked in third gear in manual mode with the cars in sports mode due to popular demand from you guys. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go! This picks up so well. Supercharged, you see. This is the Jags race. This is easily the Jags race. Victory to Britain. And I'm just increasing my lead over Italy. That is enough of that. Go Britain! Interestingly, when you're just in comfort mode and you need to just suddenly take off, that G-Wagon is the best. It clearly is. Gearbox responded quicker, but if you are kind of ready and in sports setting and in manual, the Jag's the one to have for sure. Final challenge then is a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, full emergency stop. We're going to see which car can brake in the shortest distance. Here comes the line. It's not the Alfa. I think it's the Jag. It's the Jaguar. Yes! 2 out of 3. And it almost won the drag race as well. This car's done better than I thought it would. That G-Wagon, 2.5 tonnes, actually beat the Alfa, which is the lightest car, at about 1,900 kilos. This is just over 2 tonnes. Surprised by the Alfa. But there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed shooting it. It's been really good fun. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, Jag. I've got 21 miles an hour. You've got less than that. Jaguar wins the reverse drag race. G-Wagon isn't even in it because it can only do 14 miles an hour. Go Britain again! We're good at going backwards. That is another Brexit reference, by the way. Oh, I'm going to be hated, aren't I? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, if you click on the windows below, you can watch more videos. If you click on the box over there, you can find out more about how you can invest in CarWow and be part of our future success for as little as £10. Hurry though, because the offer is limited.